Lancewood Meadows offers breathtaking views of the ocean and the environs of Exchange Ocho Rios, St. N. 192 contemporary 2- and 3-bedroom houses will be complemented by a mini-mart, exclusive to community only, gym, swimming pool, well-manicured green spaces, and kids' recreational area in a 24-hour secure community. This 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-story unit is approximate 2,100 square feet. 3 minutes from the Sandals Golf Course in Upton, 5 minutes from White River and the beach. Shopping malls, restaurants, and all important amenities in Ocho Rios are less than 10 minutes away. Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Margaritaville, Chukka Cove Adventure Park, and other attractions are within 12 minutes. Kingston and Montego Bay with international airports are just an hour away. Ian Fleming International Airport is 15 minutes drive. Let's take a look inside. Price for this one is JMD $47,250,000. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the listing agent. Please subscribe if you like more video like this. Thank you.